Our topic for presentation is the Internet and its impact on the practice of law. Our program is organized into several sections, starting with what the Internet is all about, its usefulness as a resource and investigative tool, how to discover e-evidence, how to get e-evidence admitted, and ethical issues implicated by the use of e-evidence. There will be no handouts because you will have the ability to access hyperlinks to all the resource materials discussed in our program on our website. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. The greatest revolution in our lifetime deals with the instantaneous transmission of information from one person to another. People all over the world can simultaneously communicate with each other. In order to understand the enormity of this revolution and the enormity of the changes in our lives, we should go back to the past, in the recent past, to see exactly what we did at that time. In the recent past, when we wanted to call someone on the telephone, we walked into the room in our house that had our rotary phone. The first thing we did was pick up the receiver. If no one was on the other end of the line, you had the right to make a phone call.
Hello.
The reason why other people could be on the line is because we're all part of a party line. The entire neighborhood shared the same landline. You then dialed your phone number and was able to speak to the other person on the phone. The thing that was really interesting is when you weren't in your home and you weren't in your office, the only means of making a telephone call was in a phone booth. You never knew what you were going to find inside a phone booth. You never knew what event could take place. Sometimes phone booths could be dangerous places. That was then, and then wasn't that long ago. This is now. This is a phone. This is a camera. This is a computer. This is a means of communicating with anyone at any time. This is a source of information. This is a TV. This is a book. This is anything that you want it to be. This, notepads, and laptops account for more than 7,000 tweets per minute. There are 1.3 billion participants on Facebook this year. Next year there will be 1.9. Our lives have changed forever, and so has the practice of law.
You've got mail.
Here